Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to color the terracotta jewelry. So here I have a pendant, it's already made. How to make the terracotta pendant and jewelry pieces I have already shown you in my previous video. You can subscribe my channel, you will get the videos. You will see there how I have made the pendants and how I used to bake my jewelry. So this, you can see the back side is black. So this pendant I have to do with the brown color, and in my previous video you will see how I have made the brown color by using the primary colors. So this beads I have already done with the golden color. I'll show you again also, but I'm just using a paintbrush, any thick paintbrush, because we are just doing the base part. You can see here. So very carefully need to do. You can see there are some impression over there. We don't have to cover that impressions with our paintbrush, so I'm just doing with a very light hand. You can see I'm not covering the impressions because they will give us nice detailing at the end part. This is how. And please don't overcoat your pendant or any jewelry. Only one coat is enough. If you feel one coat is not giving you nice shade, you can repeat only one time. Means you can do twice, but not more than that. Otherwise, that will not look that much nice as it should be. So this is how we have to cover the edges for all part. And then we will just let it dry for some time. Then after that we need to do the back portion also. And if your color is not coming that shade which you really want, you can cover first coat with the white color, then you can repeat your color. Like in case of yellow or red, if you want bright red and bright yellow, you can do first coat with the white color, then you can repeat your color. So you can see here our brown color is completely done with this. Now we need to do detailing with the golden color. I'll show you the rest of the part. I have to just let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, then it will be dry. Then we'll do another coat, not coat actually, we'll do that detailing parts with the golden color. Here I'm taking golden color. It's pearl metallic color. Adding little amount of water because it's very thick. As I want dark little antique golden in my pendant, so I'm going to add little amount of brown, or I can use little amount of black color so that it will be a little dark in color like antique golden. For making antique golden, we can add little amount of black. So I'm just experimenting here by adding little amount of brown color. Let's see how it's come. It's kind of bronze, but it's fine. So I'm using here little amount of black color to make my golden color little antique, because I don't want that bright golden this time. Now we are going to take my pendant because it's ready. I mean it's dry. So now what I have to do, first thing we need to cover the portion if we have anything like with the brown color. by mistake or it can go. So we need to do, I'm taking here a little thin brush, not that big, just doing one more coat with the antique golden color. So this is how we need to do beads from one side, then you can do with the other side, because we need to cover whole beads with our golden color. Make sure when you are doing coloring, it should not be go to the another portion where we don't want this golden. So now we need to cover this. You can see this detailing, and these are very fine. So whenever you are doing there, don't let your brush go other part, otherwise that can spoil. So I'm not doing in the impression portion because that will be a detailed part. So keep doing slowly. Please don't be in a hurry while you are doing painting portion, because you need patience, just a matter of patience. And if you can use very thin brush, it will be better for to the detailing. This is how we need to do slowly all the part. You can see I covered all that drop shapes, but now when we have to do the circles, our brush should not be very filled with the colors, so we will do roughly here to cover the dots with a very light hand, because we don't want to fill our lines with the colors, otherwise that circle won't show properly. So I'm just covering. So you can see here I covered the pendant. It's still the golden color is still wet, so it won't show that much nice. We need to just let it rest. You can see in inside portion I'm doing with a very light hand, because I don't want to cover the impression part with the golden color. So this is how it looks. It's still wet, so it's not giving that much shine. This is how you have to do your painting portion, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to paint the beads for the necklace, how to beads together all the beads and how to paint all that beads. I'll show you that easiest method to do that. I hope you like my videos. If you really like, please like my video, press like button, and the share, you can share with your friends also. You can show them if they interested in terracotta jewelry. And if you want to see the other parts, you can subscribe my channel, and you can get, if you will press the bell button, you will get the notification once I'll put my next video. Thank you so much for watching.